Matrix, adding and subtracting, matrices for GCSE, IB, and Excel. Okay, we can only add or subtract matrices if their dimensions are the same. That's the key. Okay, we can only add or subtract matrices if their dimensions are the same. Okay. To add matrices, we simply add the corresponding matrix elements together. Okay, to add matrices, we simply add the corresponding matrix elements together. So what is the corresponding matrix? Okay, let's check it out. And to subtract matrices, we simply subtract the corresponding matrix elements together. Okay, once again, we found this item, the corresponding matrix elements together. So what is the corresponding matrix? Okay, students, before we go to the corresponding matrix, we have to understand first what is the dimension of matrix. What is the dimension of a matrix? Okay, let this matrix components A, B, C, D, right? A, B, C, D. Okay. For this row, okay, there are two rows, right? The first row, it has the component A and B, and the second component, it has C and D, right? Okay, we can say this matrix consists of two rows. Okay, two rows. Okay, now we go to the column. Okay, look at the vertical lines. Okay, there are two columns. The first column, it has two components, A and C, right? And the second column, it has two components, B and D, right? So it has two columns. Now we can conclude that this matrix consists of two rows and two columns. Two rows and two columns. Okay? So the dimension of matrix is 2 times 2. Once again, the dimension of matrix is 2 times 2. So this matrix is written as A2 times 2. What does it mean? 2 rows and two columns. Clear? Okay, now we go to the next example, everyone. Look at this example. There are 2 rows, right? The first row consists of A, B, and C components. And the second row consists of D, E, and F components. Okay? Two rows. For the horizontal line, we call that rows for the horizontal line. But for the vertical lines, we call that column. Okay, let's check it out, everyone. Okay, there are 3 columns, right? The first column consists of A and D. The second column, B and E, and the third column consists of C and F components, right? So we can say that this matrix has 3 columns. So the dimension of matrix is 2 times 3, and this matrix is written as A Matrix A 2 times 3. Is it clear? Clear, yeah? Okay. Next. Now we go to adding matrices. Adding matrices. Okay, students, let this matrix 3, 2, 0, minus 4. Okay? Plus the second matrix, minus 2, A, 1, minus 3. So what is the concept of adding matrices? Okay, students, this is very easy to us, right? By using the algebra or the simplest operation in mathematics, we can say that the result of this adding matrices 3 plus minus 2, we got 1. And then 2 plus 8, we got half. And then 0 plus 1, we got 1. And the last, minus 4 plus minus 3, minus 7. Very simple, right? So what is the conclusion? Okay? To add matrices, we simply add the corresponding matrix elements together. That's the key. The key point is just add the corresponding matrix elements together. Clear, everyone? Okay. This is adding matrices. Now we go to subtracting matrices. Is it different? Let's check it out, everyone. Subtracting matrices. Let this matrix 5 minus 4, 0, minus 4, minus or negative or subtracted 2, minus 2, 7, 1, minus 3. Once again, everyone. 5 minus 4, 0, minus 4, right? Minus 2, 7, 1, minus 3. Students, you have to check. Okay, both matrices, they have the same dimension, right? 2 times 2. For the left matrix, 2 times 2. The right matrix, 2 times 2 as well, right? So we can operate. Okay? So how it works to subtract matrices? Okay, let's take it together, everyone. Subtracting matrices. Okay, to the corresponding elements. Corresponding elements. Here's the answer. 5 minus 2, right? You got 7. Next, minus 4 minus 7. Is it? Next, 0 minus 1. And the last, minus 4 minus 3 minus 1. Is it clear, everyone? Very easy, right? Subtracting matrices. So what is the conclusion? To subtract matrices, we simply subtract the corresponding matrix elements together. Once again, everyone, the key point is subtract the corresponding matrix elements together. Clear? Okay, so that's adding and subtracting matrices is very easy. Now we go to the next. Equation of matrix. Equation of matrix, right? So what is equation of matrix? Okay, this matrix consists of 5 minus 4, 0 minus 4 elements and equals to another matrix. Yeah, 5a minus 4, 0, and b plus 1 element. Equation of matrix means the left matrix equals to the right matrix. Clear? Once again, equation of matrix means the left matrix equals to the right matrix. So what does it mean? Listen, we have the key point how to process matrix. It has the corresponding matrix. Okay, so what's the meaning corresponding matrix for this equation of matrix? Okay, this is the corresponding matrix. Do you agree? 5 corresponding to 5a, right? And then minus 4 corresponding to minus 4. 0 corresponding to 0, right? And the last is minus 4 corresponding to b plus 1 element. Right, everyone? The question is find A and B. That's very easy, everyone. Okay, listen. Corresponding element. Okay, that's the key point. Okay. The first corresponding element is 5 equals to 5a, right? So what's the conclusion? By using the algebra, a is 1. Or a equals to 5 divided by 5. We got 1, right? Okay, what is the next corresponding? The next corresponding is minus 4 equals to b plus 1. Is it right, everyone? Minus 4 equals to b plus 1, right? So, by using the algebra, minus 4 minus 1 equals to 2. A equals to b. 1 is moved to the left side, right? So, it means minus 4 minus 1 equals to b. So, what's b? The answer, b is minus 5. So, we call this one equation of matrix. Is it easy, everyone? That's very easy. Okay, students, thank you very much. This is our material, adding and subtracting of matrix.